Good morning, friends. This is Sid Panjabi here. Hope everyone's doing well. Today is the 19th of May, which is a Tuesday. So I'm going to run you through my trade that I'm going to take right now, which is Sunpharma, and it is on the 5-minute chart. So we've already made a high for Sunpharma right now, and we just broke it. So I'm going to enter Sunpharma with a stop loss and a target. So I'm just going to run you through the trade once I take the trade. So the trade that I'm taking right now is in equity market, which is in the cash market. So I'm just going to show you the trade which I'm just entering right now. And that is I've taken Sunpharma at an entrance of 443.75 with a stop loss of 439.35 and a target of 449.85. So the reason why we took the trade was, as we discussed before, is that it's broken the high of the first 15 minutes and we've entered the trade at 9:31 a.m. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to let the trade play, and if there's anything that I need to update you on, I will update you as the trade goes on. So as you can see that it's 2,500 quantity that I've taken in the cash market. We've purchased 2,500 quantity for an intraday trade in Sunpharma. So I'm just going to update you on what has just happened right now. So I see Sunpharma has gone much higher. So I am going to trail my stop loss, which is called a trailing stop loss. So the reason for me to trail the stop loss is so that my risk to reward becomes favorable in my position, because the time when we entered the trade, we had a risk to reward of about 1:1.1. Now that I've trailed my stop loss to 442.35, my risk to reward has become 3.43. So as you can see that the trade is working out in our favor. So I'm just going to update you what happens, because we are also reaching our target. So as you can see, this is my trade log. On 19th of May, we've purchased it, Sunpharma, in the equity market. We bought 2,500 quantity at the rate of 443.80 and we sold 2,500 quantity at the rate of 448.50. So this is my final trade log, and this is my book profit for today, which is 11,750 before expenses. And after all expenses, net profit of 11,049 rupees. So this is our book profit on the chart, and Sunpharma did make a bit of a high after that, but it's fine. We exited, we got our risk to reward, and we booked 11,000. Boom!